No one asked for this. Top of the morning to ya. You know what it is, boys and girls? It's your boy, the Easter Bunny, and it looks like it's that time of year again. The snow is out. The rivers and lakes are frozen solid. All the firewood at Menards is on sale, and boy, oh boy, the seasonal depression is back. Not for me, though. I don't get seasonal depression. I am the Easter Bunny. I'm holly and jolly, and if I ever even feel a little bit sad, I just, a little pumpkin pie cream liqueur does the body good. So I don't get seasonal depression, thankfully, but old Eli, on the other hand, oh my God! He can sometimes get it. I don't really know if he has it right now, but I have my suspicions. But either way, it looks like he has asked me, good old Easter Bunny, to start out this episode for him, because he said that he couldn't really think of a way to face you guys right now. So, why don't we start out with a little bit of Christmas honesty? I think I just made that up. Christmas honesty. What? Clearly this is a facade. I'm not really the Easter Bunny. I'm Santa Claus! It's been so obvious this whole time. Look, I've got the hat, I've got the big beard, now I've got glasses. These are actually real glasses, by the way. Whew, man, it feels great to have a moment of honesty. I've been calling myself the Easter Bunny for God knows how long. Sometimes you just gotta be real. Looks like today's that day, boys and girls. In a way, you could say that I've come out of the closet. I'm not gay or anything. I'm talking about being Santa Claus. Don't call me gay. You're gay. Well, there's my segue. I came out of the closet as Santa Claus, and I also just finished renovating my closet. Eli just finished renovating his closet. I don't know why I said I built a closet. I've never done that in my life. I have my elves do the building. I don't really build. I just, for the most of the year, I just sit around and I think about boys and girls. Oh. That's also gonna happen a few times. Yeah, that's gonna help me lose weight for sure. Wowee, that's a fire, huh? So yeah, the whole entire reason I'm even doing this narration is because Eli finished building the whole entire closet, but he was really depressed the whole entire time, so the video just was really boring and it sucked. So he needed basically an entire new video topic, and he'll just use the build as like B-roll or something. Honestly, right now, I still don't even know what we're gonna talk about. But it seems like every time Eli posts a picture or just any sort of post where he says, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm a big gay baby. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Everybody seems to respond with this overwhelming positive affirmation, talking about like, we don't care what you do. We'll watch anything you make. Well, here you go. You brought this on yourself. Now, I, as Santa Claus, it feels so good to say it out loud. I'm not a very big internet personality, so I don't really know how to keep this conversation going. I guess I can just kind of discuss with you guys some ideas that I've been having. Why do I keep saying that? Some ideas that Eli's been having. I have this strange identity crisis where I keep thinking that I'm Eli. I'm not. Why do I keep drinking that? It literally feels like I'm drinking whipping cream out of a walrus's teat, but like pumpkin air. It's freaking gross. So yeah, just kind of spitballing some ideas I've been discussing with Eli, bouncing them off you guys, seeing what you might want to see. This is gonna be like the worst video of all time. So the first idea, a surprising number of people actually want to see me get Fallout 70. I keep saying me! A surprising number of people actually want to see Eli get Fallout 76 and then like do a little gaming series on the channel. I know that he's not interested in completely like just changing the channel into a gaming channel. That'd be like weird. So don't be afraid of that ever happening, because that's definitely not gonna happen. But maybe just like as a supplemental series to go along with like actual builds and stuff like that, that might be kind of cool. And at this point, from what I hear, the game is just really bad. It like sucks or something. Todd Howard should be on the naughty list, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, someone should kill him. Oh. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's the Christmas nog speaking. Yeah, from what I've heard, the game is still really broken, but you know, maybe that could be fun for the series. Funny glitches. The glitches, they're so funny. Ha ha ha. You know what I never really understood? Sometimes in my off hours, when I'm not thinking about, you know, things above, Christmas things, heavenly things, sometimes I'll watch Markiplier videos. Not very often, but sometimes. And he'll do these try not to laugh challenges, and he will just crack the heck up at these like gaming videos, and I just never understood it. I don't know if I'll ever laugh at a gaming video. It's like funny commercials on the radio. Who has ever laughed at like a funny commercial on the radio? No one. Not that I know of, definitely not me. Sometimes like online interactions with other players can be funny in certain ways, but just straight up a video game? I don't know. I don't look down on Markiplier for that. Honestly, that's a blessing. I wish I could laugh at that stuff. Who wouldn't want to laugh more? Especially in these trying times. Ooh. Maybe if Eli were to do a little gaming series, he would start to understand what it's like to laugh at a video game. So, yeah, I guess let me know. If Eli should do a Fallout 76 series. It's kind of expensive, but, you know, maybe it'll be worth it. What was I talking about? So yeah, that's one idea. Fallout 76 gaming videos. Super original. I don't know if anybody has done a Fallout 76 gaming video. I might be the first one. I gotta crack open a window and hear something. It's freaking toasty. Ooh, yeah, baby. That gust of wind gets on the nice list for sure. Ooh, maybe it's not a great idea to be tapping into the old nog while I'm making videos. Especially next to a hot fire cooking my brain. Oh, lordy. The other idea that Eli had that actually is kind of exciting. He was wondering if you guys might want him to do live streams. He knows that when he watches other people do live streams, it's very interesting, and it's even if they're not really doing much, it's cool to see them just, you know, not having a persona. Not that Eli's ever done a persona of any kind, but I'm getting cotton ball dust all over my glasses. Yeah, maybe it'd be fun to, you know, get to know him a little better. He would get to talk to you guys on a more one-on-one basis. It's a lot different than doing Q&As. When you do a Q&A, you have all this time to like prepare answers, and you can be as ingenuine as you want. And I think being face-to-face with you guys would help Eli to be a lot more honest with himself about, you know, a lot of things he's insecure about. He doesn't really think that he's that good at talking. And I guess a big fear of his is that if he were to do a live stream, that you guys would be super disenchanted with how not good at talking he is, and maybe just with his personality in general. So, you know, this could be helpful in some way, I guess. So let me know in the comment section if that's what you might want to see. Some live streams, maybe even a little Twitch going on there. I have zero clue how live streams or Twitch work, so he would have to figure all that out. Ooh, looks like it's time for more nog. I definitely need this. Ugh, it's so bad. Ugh, it's gross. Fire's really going. That Menards wood is some good stuff. I'm not joking. Very cheap too. I saw at Jewel, they were selling bundles that were smaller than the ones at Menards for literally twice as much. Ridiculous. Preposterous. I cannot believe that type of thing. Oh, look at this fat little blob. Oh, I love this guy. Oh, thank you, God, for this little boy. Get out of here. So, I think he just got down here from the litter box. I think he had a little pee on his butt. And now there's pee on my finger. How long have I been recording? Oh, wow. 31 minutes. Oh, I would not have guessed. And what? I've discussed 2 options. Fallout and live streams. Yeah, there's that. An idea that somebody had in the comments of that picture that Eli posted recently, the picture of the closet, their suggestion was that he goes to like a junkyard and he builds like a weapon with minimal tools, or maybe just that he builds a weapon with whatever he can find there. And that sounds pretty cool, I guess. He does want to do more forging this winter. It's pretty much the only thing that he finds appealing to do this winter, because again, the garage is not heated. With blacksmith forging, he can at least keep himself warm. So that could be fun. Can you stop? Dude, please, stop. If I don't make this video, I can't afford to send you guys to college, so please just relax. Oh yeah, the junkyard stuff and blacksmithing in general. Eli actually just bought about 5 1-foot lengths of 5160 spring steel. Obviously, you can make some pretty impressive knives out of that. So he's really excited to try that out. And after he makes a knife out of it, he wants to try forge welding, because if he can forge weld, then that means he can connect the multiple pieces and maybe make his first sword ever. That would be something. You guys know Alex Steele? He's in the United States now. Eli is not very interested in reaching out for a collaboration right now because his channel is kind of trash. Eli's channel is kind of trash right now, not Alex. Obviously, he'd like to be more confident in his channel before he would reach out. But I just talking about blacksmithing. You know, Alec does some crazy cool stuff. I feel like I'm having a stroke because my left side is melting. I'm sweating so much out of my left armpit. So there's 3 ideas for videos. We got Fallout gaming, we've got live streams, we've got blacksmithing. Oh, 4. We got that scrapyard thing. Let me think of like a 5th type of thing. Have you guys ever seen those videos of like it'll be like 10 new tools that are next level, and maybe like 4 of them are even usable? Eli's been watching those a lot, getting a kick out of those. Maybe it would be funny for him to make videos giving his opinion on these miracle tools. I don't really know. You guys will definitely let me know in the comment section. I know that much. Well, I think I've sweat enough for one night. Man, I am just absolutely disgusting right now. I gotta go drink a lot of water, and I'm feeling pretty lightheaded. My throat also hurts from doing this voice for 41, how long? Oh, wow, I nailed that. 41 minutes straight. Yeah, that's about all I got for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about my ideas. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to PewDiePie. Or me. That'd be pretty nice.